On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat map. First thing guys, all what you wanna do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and then click on this update right here to update it into the latest version. And then all what you wanna do is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it and then click on force stop like this exactly. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the end. See you later, thank you so much.